If this is the first video that you're watching in the Songwriting from Start to Finish series, Head in a Hurricane, I hate to tell you this, but you're doing it all wrong. Go back and watch the other ones. I'll put some links over here somewhere. Okay, now that we're all squared away, let's see what became of the free writing exercise that I did while in the car. One of the things that I like to do is go ahead and pick out a mood, a theme, and a title for a song, even at the very beginning. The title that I came up with while driving was Head in a Hurricane. That sounds kind of fun, right? As far as mood, in this case the mood is, what does the song sound like? Thinking edgy, bouncy, and thoughtful. So for the themes, looking at this, the ones that jump out to me, empowerment, and I would say fighting, kind of feels like redemption. So I'm gonna put those on there now. All right, I'm gonna pull up my phone and listen back to my audio files. I'll type those lyrics in there and then we'll continue to work on this song.
1 hour later.
I have typed those up for you now. These might change once I start singing the song for reals, but this is where we are. Verse 1, chaos surrounds me day after day. I've got no light to point the way. How does that work? Let's listen to the verse here.
Chaos surrounds me day after day. I've got no light to point the way.
Driven by hunger, I've got no choice. I've got no fruit to bear my voice. Now, this line is a little odd. That line came out of the free writing. It was just something that came out. It didn't even make sense, but I kept it. And then for the chorus, I came up with, it's so hard to keep your head in a hurricane. What I picture there is when it's really stressful in life, it's kind of hard to stay focused, right? Can't stay dry when your soul's in the storm again. That's kind of a reference to crying, to be honest with you. Shedding some tears because it's so hard.
It's so hard to keep your head in a hurricane. Can't stay dry when your soul's in this storm again.
And let's check out this really cool bridge here. It's like you stand up just to get on down. Stand up just to get on the ground. You try to make some progress in life and then you just get knocked back down.
It's like you stand up just to get on down. Stand up just to get on the ground.
And then for the last verse, a very short verse, I wrote no sense of order. That was kind of another way of saying chaos surrounds me. And sometimes I definitely look at my first verse and let it help me write the second verse. So there's some patterns that I can lean on to make the writing of latter verses easier. No sense of order, a vortex of pain. Can't hit the mark if you don't take aim. This has too many syllables at this point, but I'm hoping that once I start to sing it, I might find a way to reduce it. So the next step here is for me to start recording vocals into the place of the melodies. I can send that over to Steve-O and see what he does with the music. I hope you liked this video, and if you are intrigued by my songwriting process and you'd like to learn more, I suggest starting by downloading my free ebook, How to Not Suck at Songwriting, 11 tips and 1 lie on how to write lyrics faster and more betterer. As a professional songwriter for TV and film, I developed a few skills along the way, and I started this ebook just to help one of my friends, and well, you can be my friend too.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup!
In this ebook, we'll cover melodies, moods, themes, song titles, rhyme schemes, etc. Just click the link in the description below this video.